TCN Cup Noodle Vending Machine with built-in hot water experience. A system exclusively designed for automated instant noodle vending machines. Swipe the screen to browse through the available products. Select the item you wish to purchase by touching its image on the screen. Get the goods at the pickup port. The TCN Noodle Machine's backend system allows you to customize hot water dispensing durations. After a purchase, it automatically controls the hot water flow duration for efficiency. There's nothing quite like the taste of hot, steaming instant noodles.